Ever wondered how a plant can help with common health issues like constipation? Today we will talk about Senna Alexandrina, a plant used in folk medicine for centuries. This fascinating plant, often simply referred to as Senna, has a long history of use in traditional medicine across various cultures. It's most commonly known for its potent laxative properties, making it a popular remedy for constipation. However, Senna's benefits extend further. It's also been used to prepare the bowel for surgical procedures or diagnostic tests, providing a clear view for medical practitioners. But like any potent medicinal plant, it's not without its potential side effects and precautions. Everything from mild abdominal cramps to serious electrolyte imbalances could occur if not used properly. Therefore, it's crucial to understand how to use Senna safely and effectively. So let's dive deeper into the world of Senna Alexandrina and understand its benefits and potential side effects. Senna Alexandrina is not just a plant, it's a potential solution for certain health issues. This humble herb has been used for centuries in folk medicine to address a variety of health concerns. One of its most notable benefits is its potent laxative effect, which has made it a popular natural remedy for constipation. The active compounds in Senna Alexandrina, known as sennicides, work by stimulating the lining of the bowel. This action speeds up the process of digestion, helping to alleviate constipation by encouraging a more regular bowel movement. For many, this plant has provided much-needed relief from the discomfort and distress that constipation can cause, but the benefits of Senna Alexandrina aren't limited to easing constipation. It's also commonly used to stimulate bowel movements before surgical procedures or diagnostic tests. This allows for a clearer view of the gastrointestinal tract, aiding in accurate diagnosis and successful treatment of various digestive disorders. In fact, Senna Alexandrina's effectiveness in promoting bowel regularity has led to its inclusion in some modern medicines. This is testament to its potential in not just traditional, but also contemporary healthcare. Furthermore, some research suggests that Senna Alexandrina might even have anti-inflammatory properties. This means it could potentially help in managing conditions characterized by inflammation, although more studies are needed to fully understand this aspect of the plant's benefits. And let's not forget about its potential detoxifying effects. By stimulating bowel movements, Senna Alexandrina may help to remove waste and toxins from the body, contributing to overall health and well-being. In summary, Senna Alexandrina offers several potential health benefits, particularly in relation to bowel health. Its laxative effects can offer relief to those struggling with constipation, while its ability to stimulate bowel movements can be useful in preparing for certain medical procedures. While these benefits make Senna Alexandrina a helpful ally, it's crucial to understand that it's not without its potential side effects. So make sure to stay tuned as we delve into these in our next segment. As with any medicinal plant, Senna Alexandrina comes with its set of potential side effects. Diving right in, one common side effect of Senna Alexandrina is mild abdominal cramps. These cramps can be discomforting, but they're usually not severe. However, if they persist or become more intense, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional. Next on the list is acute diarrhea. Senna Alexandrina can cause loose, watery stools, which can lead to dehydration if not properly managed. It's important to maintain adequate hydration when using this plant for medicinal purposes. Nausea and vomiting are also potential side effects. These symptoms can be quite unpleasant, but they often subside once the body adjusts to the herb. If they persist, it might be best to discontinue use and seek medical advice. Bloating and stomach disturbances are other possible side effects. Some individuals may experience a feeling of fullness or discomfort in the abdomen, along with changes in bowel habits. Fainting could also occur as a result of acute diarrhea and the consequent dehydration. It's crucial to keep up with fluid intake to prevent this. Senna Alexandrina can also potentially disturb potassium levels in the body. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in heart function and muscle contraction. Any significant fluctuation in its levels should be monitored closely. Rectal bleeding, intestinal disturbances, and kidney inflammation are more severe potential side effects and should prompt immediate medical attention. In some cases, Senna Alexandrina might cause a change in urine color. While this is usually harmless, if it persists, it's a good idea to consult a healthcare provider. Lastly, there's the potential for the appearance of Crohn's disease, an inflammatory bowel condition. This is quite rare, but if you start experiencing persistent diarrhea, abdominal pain, and weight loss, you should seek medical help immediately. Understanding these potential side effects is essential to safely use Senna Alexandrina. Keep in mind that everyone's body is different and reactions can vary. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen. Certain individuals need to exercise caution when considering Senna Alexandrina. This potent herb is not for everyone. If you have kidney or liver disease, heart conditions, Crohn's disease, colitis, intestinal problems, abdominal pain, or appendicitis, it's best to steer clear. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also avoid Senna Alexandrina, as well as children under the age of 2. The herb's powerful effects can potentially lead to complications and adverse reactions in these groups. For instance, those with kidney disease might experience inflammation, while individuals with heart conditions could see an imbalance in their body's potassium levels. These are serious concerns that underscore the importance of consulting with your healthcare provider before starting a regimen of Senna Alexandrina. But it's not just pre-existing health conditions that warrant caution. Senna Alexandrina can also interact with certain medications and other herbs. The herb may interfere with the effectiveness of contraceptive pills containing estrogen. Also, if you're taking blood thinners, Senna Alexandrina could potentially increase your risk of bleeding. Moreover, combining this herb with diuretics could result in lowered potassium levels. And it's not advisable to mix it with other herbs like horsetail and licorice that also decrease potassium levels. Remember, while Senna Alexandrina can be a powerful ally in combating constipation and stimulating bowel movements before surgical procedures or diagnostic tests, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The dose and duration of its use should be tailored to the individual's needs and circumstances under the guidance of a healthcare provider. Even with all its potential benefits, the key to using Senna Alexandrina safely and effectively lies in moderation and professional guidance. Overuse or prolonged use without medical advice can lead to complications, so it's essential to stick to the recommended dose. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting or changing the dose or duration of use of Senna Alexandrina. Knowledge is power, and understanding the precautions and potential interactions of this herb can help ensure its safe and beneficial use. Senna Alexandrina, while beneficial, should be used with caution. This powerful plant has long been used in folk medicine and is now a key ingredient in some modern medications. Its primary use is as a laxative, providing relief for those suffering from constipation. However, it's essential to remember that all good things come with a side of caution. Senna Alexandrina has potential side effects including mild stomach cramps, acute diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, bloating, and disturbances in the stomach. In more severe cases, it can cause fainting due to acute diarrhea and the consequent dehydration. Other potential side effects may include disturbances in potassium levels, rectal bleeding, intestinal disturbances, kidney inflammation, changes in urine color, and the onset of Crohn's disease. Special caution is required for certain groups. If you have kidney or liver diseases, heart conditions, Crohn's disease, colitis, intestinal problems, abdominal pain, or if you are pregnant, nursing, have appendicitis, diarrhea, or are a child under 2 years old, it's advised not to consume Senna Alexandrina without consulting a healthcare provider. Moreover, Senna Alexandrina can interact with certain herbs and medications. It may affect the efficacy of birth control pills containing estrogen and increase the risk of bleeding when taken with blood-thinning medications. It can also cause a decrease in potassium levels when taken with diuretics. It's recommended not to combine it with certain herbs like horsetail and licorice root that also cause a decrease in potassium levels. Despite the side effects and precautions, the potential health benefits of Senna Alexandrina should not be overlooked. It can act as an effective laxative for those suffering from constipation and is used to stimulate bowel movements before surgical procedures or diagnostic tests. However, it's essential to consult a healthcare provider before using it, ensuring the correct dosage and duration of use. It's advised not to exceed the recommended dosage or use it for an extended period without consulting a healthcare provider. It's important to note that this information might be historical and there could be new developments in the research and uses related to Senna Alexandrina. Therefore, it's advised to speak with a healthcare provider for up-to-date information and consultation before starting its use or changing the dosage or the duration of use. Remember, while Senna Alexandrina has potential health benefits, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider before use to ensure safety and effectiveness. In this way, you can enjoy the benefits of this potent plant while minimizing potential risks and ensuring your overall health and well-being.